In the early spring, Naho Konspa'ari will be visible in the northeastern sky. Naho Konspa'kai will be visible in the same location in the early fall evening. Naho Konspa'kon, the North Star, remains in one location all the time. All constellations evolve around the North Star. The traditional understanding is that constellation patterns depict proper roles and responsibilities of families. Naho Konspa'kai reigns over the fall and winter seasonal activities for the people. Ye'i Biche and Ishnachinje Khatkal are winter healing ceremonies.
Nita and Hajoje Hatkal are the spring and summer healing ceremony under the reign of Naho Konspa'ari. Being aware of the purposes of the constellations helps in understanding the traditional practices of the Ne way of life.
According to scientific theory, a star begins to form when a cloud of diffuse gases, small rocky inorganic particles, and even ice begins to coalesce. The gas and dust condense down into a tiny ball, attracting more and more material, becoming larger and larger and denser and denser. The gas and dust circles around the growing star. Much of the material will get pulled into the star, making the ball even larger. At a certain point, the star ignites, giving off light and heat. Oftentimes, the material left in the disk around the star will coalesce into planets. These planets, such as our own Earth, orbit their star, just as Earth orbits the Sun. Stars and star systems form all around us, in our galaxy and in other galaxies throughout space. The process of new star system formation has been observed in our own cosmic backyard, within the constellation Orion. This image, taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, shows several newly forming star systems within the Orion Nebula, an active star-forming region. The material that goes into forming a planet around a star determines what kind of planet it will be, rocky like Earth or gaseous like Jupiter. Any life on a planet, like we humans here on Earth, is made up of this same material. We are indeed made of stardust. Throughout the universe, stars form, mature, and then die. In so doing, the star recycles the materials created within it back into space. When very large stars come to the end of their life, they do not go quietly. Such a dying star blasts off its outer layer in an energetic explosion, casting material out into the surrounding space. This event is called a supernova. In 1999, a NASA telescope orbiting Earth was able to take a picture of a supernova located in the constellation Cassiopeia. The Cas-A supernova remnant, as it is called, is one of the most intensely studied objects in observable space. The elements that are cast out into space during a supernova event, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen to name a few, are elements that are necessary for life as we know it. The only place these elements are made is within the fiery core of a star. If all living things return to the earth and are replaced with new life, then there is a growing process in place.
Me know our lives.